Hey everyone, as you can see, this is AC air conditioner. Today I am going to show you how to clean your AC at your home in just 3 steps. And after you clean your AC, you will get a super cool air which will give you a better atmosphere in your room. If you have a cleaner AC, it will increase the life of your AC unit. And to clean your AC, you don't have to call you don't have to call AC technicians to clean this at your home.
How to open the AC by yourself. Both sides, you just pull it. You just pull it like this. It will stay. All inverter or this split AC, it is same. This is the net. It becomes dirty. It becomes full of dust and it cannot throw the wind or pull the wind. So you cannot get cool air when it becomes dirty. You take this out, and this also you take this out. You have to clean this net. If there is dust in your area, then you have to clean it every month. And if your area is clean, then you can clean it every 3 months or 2 months. Okay? Okay, this is a net. You put it on the running tap and use the toothbrush like this. This you can do it now every month if your area is full of dust, and if your area is clean, you just repeat it every 3 months. No need to do it every month. You can see this, my net is clean. It is almost 1 month I have cleaned it. Since my area is not that dusty, that's why it is clean, super clean. You can see this is kerosene. Okay, you take a toothbrush, old toothbrush, apply it here. This you can clean it at your home. Okay, this is required not once in a year, not every month. You clean it once in a year. This. Kerosene is very good to remove the dust. After cleaning it, you just fit it. The way you remove it, you fit it just like this. This is the lock. See, lock. You put it inside this 3 lock. This is also. Do it. 3. Finish. And you just shut it down. Lock. Katak, katak, katak. Ready. As you can see, this is the outside unit. So it is the outside unit. And this side, you can see this it becomes dirty. I'm taking kerosene. You just clean this using the kerosene. You do this once every year. No need to do it every month. You see this net. I'm doing it here just showing you fast. You should do it very slowly. Remove all the dust. Then the airflow, it will increase. And when the airflow will increase, we will get very cool air. And there will be no pressure on this AC compressor. This side, you show this side. Can you show it? With your mobile, this side, inside, back side. Look how much dirty. You see? Dust will always come. You cannot protect your unit from dust. So, and if it is outside in below area, you can clean it with water also. You can throw buckets of water, use your water pump pipe. Using a pipe, you can. You show this here how dirty it has become, the kerosene. Look, you can see it has become dirty. Look, You can see it. This. All this depends how your AC runs, how much cooling air you are getting. I'm showing it very fast, but you should do it slowly. Remember it. Okay, don't forget to subscribe. This you can see that this is coming from the inner unit. This is the AC pipe. Oh, take it switch here. This whole pipe. I'm wrapping with this. You see this. You see? You used to wrap it. I'm wrapping it. When I'm wrapping it, it will go for many years. You can set till the AC unit lasts. It will never get damaged. When it is left open with only the black cover, it is to get damaged after 1 year, 2 year or 3 year. And if sunlight falls on it, then within 6 months or 1 year, the whole cover will get damaged. But when I am wrapping it with this, you can say it will last for till the AC unit will run. It will never get damaged, and the cool air which you will get inside will be super cool. Because I'm telling you, the wire you can see here, there are two coil you can see. One is it brings the AC gas. So when the AC gas it remains open, this when it remain open, this when it brings cool air from the compressor to your room inside. So when it get touched with hot air, if it is left uncovered, then it puts high pressure on this outer unit, and your life of this unit will decrease and you will not get super cool air. Suppose with this unit at 25 degree, you will get super cool air. But if it is left open, or if the cover is broken, then it will not work with full power. So you have to decrease the AC temperature like 20, 18, 17. You can see this AC, it is set at 25 degree because the outer unit which I have shown you is covered with properly. Not only the black which is covering, I am also covering with extra tape. So the outer heat, it cannot reach inside that AC, that gas which it is carrying. So at 25 degree, my room is super cool. But when that cable, that AC it is carrying, if it is left open, you have to decrease the temperature. Suppose this is 20, 24, 23, 21, 22. You can see at many office or at your home when you visit your friend that the temperature is 20 degrees, still AC is not providing cooling air because of that. So that outer unit which the gas is used to flow has to be properly covered. It is one of the most important thing to get cool air. You can see that now AC is giving cool air. You can do it at your home. No need to worry. Tension free. And you will have a very healthy AC at your home, as it will increase the life of your compressor, AC unit, everything.